I have been fortunate to lead a lot of people in my journey of being a people manager. In my experience of 10 long years, I have met several leaders, I have met different people whom I have led. But one of the most common questions that I have always been asked by my people was that they want to achieve a lot of things in their life, but they are not able to do them. They have certain things that they want to work on, they decide to achieve them, but they are not able to reach to the conclusion. They are not able to basically accomplish those activities or tasks. Now, how many times it has happened with you in your life that you decided on many things in your life, that you decided to achieve certain things, you decided to swim, you decided to learn some acquire some skills, or you decided to learn how to cook, you decided to enroll for new courses and wanted to complete that, but you could not complete that, but you could not actually accomplish those tasks within the specified time, or you could not even do that. And out of those incidents, how many times have you ever asked this question to yourself? Why did it happen with you? Why you could not do what you wanted to do in your life? If that is the case, if this is what has happened with you in your life, then this video is going to be for you. So this is your friend Tausif Hassan, who is on a mission to help people to evolve in their life. Today, in next 2 to 3 minutes, I am going to talk about how can you achieve your goals and how can you achieve what you decide in your life. So let's quickly move on to the main points on what we have to do, on what we want to do, and what can we do to achieve our results in the life. So the number one thing is, as Simon Sinek says, that whatever you want to do in your life, you need to know the reason why you want to do. This is a very interesting thing to know about. Believe me, people talk about motivation, but how many of you know what is motivation? What does this word motivation mean? Motivation means there is a motive for action. Motive means that there is a reason for whatever you're doing. So if you do not know your motive for doing whatever you want to do in your life, you will not be actually encouraged or inspired to complete that activity, and you will fail. That is the number one thing to identify. For example, if you want to climb the Mount Everest, so you need to be very clear behind why do you want to climb Mount Everest? What is your motive behind that? So the number one thing to achieve your goal in your life is to know what is your purpose. What is the science and the reason behind why you want to do what you want to do in your life? What is the reason behind your action and behind what you want to achieve in your life? If you know that cause will always drive you towards achieving what you want to achieve. That cause will become a driving force towards achieving your purpose, your passion. So most of the time we forget why we want to do what we want to do in our life, and that is the reason we become monotonous. The process becomes monotonous, and we feel exhausted, and we are not able to achieve our goals. And the second thing is that you need to break down your goals into smaller ones. Now suppose you want to climb the Mount Everest. You cannot go ahead and start climbing the Mount Everest and you can achieve your goal. You got to take care of certain things, some prerequisites which you need to consider. For example, you want to climb Mount Everest, but you got to take care of the things. You got to break that down into pieces, bits and pieces. For example, you want to learn the skills required for mountaineering. You want to acquire the tools and techniques, the accessories which are required for climbing. You want to know what are the do's and don'ts before you actually start mountaineering. So you got to break your goal down into bits and pieces and start working on them. If you do so, you will not get overwhelmed, you will not get anxious, you will not have a worry, because if you start working on your bigger goal without actually planning, without actually breaking them into bits and pieces, you will get demotivated, because you will not be able to achieve results, and that will cause you not to do further activities. And the last thing, and the very most important thing, whatever you are doing, whatever goal you are achieving in your life, you got to understand that you have to have some accountability. Define someone as one of your accountability partner. It may be your spouse, it may be one of your closest of close friends, it may be someone who you know, who you trust blindly. He will be your accountability partner, who will always remind you, who will always say, you decided to complete certain activities by this particular time, but you could not do that, and you need to remember why you started. So it is very important to have accountabilities, so you will have a reflection, so you will have a true self-reflection of what you're doing and how many activities you were supposed to do versus what you have done so far. I can suggest you there are very various apps available in Play Store. You can download, you can set a reminder for the activities that you want to do, and they will remind you when you are supposed to do anything, and you don't have to worry about, you don't have to even set someone as an accountability partner. You can set an app as your accountability partner. So I have told you the three things. Now, number one thing is you got to know why you want to do what you want to do, because if you don't understand the motive behind what you want to do, you will not be inspired to take action. And the second thing is you got to break down your goals, the bigger goal, into smaller goals, so that you are able to achieve one by one, step by step, and you will not stop. And the last thing is that you got to have some accountability partner who will remind you to do what you're supposed to do, so that you keep on doing what you want to do in your life. And one of the last thing and the bonus hack that I want to discuss with you today is choose action over procrastination. If you choose action over procrastination, you will be able to achieve your goals much faster than others. The number one reason why we fail to achieve our goal is procrastination. We don't have a habit of taking massive action. We have a habit of putting off things. Today I have done something, let's do it tomorrow, or maybe let's postpone it for day after tomorrow. Procrastination is your biggest enemy. If you procrastinate, you will not be able to achieve your milestone by the time you have decided to achieve them. So choose action over procrastination. I hope you have loved this video today, and I want to thank you for your support, your feedback that you drop in the comment and tell me what I am doing. That encourages me. What encourages me more is that my message is able to reach to you and you are actually getting benefited out of it. That is my biggest motivation, because I want to help millions of people and help them evolve in their life. So in case if there is any feedback or question, please drop them in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer them. I'll be glad to participate and help you grow in your life, and we will grow together. This is your friend Tausif Hassan signing off until we meet again. Have a fantastic day.